Tired of struggling with bulky bike pumps or running low on air mid-ride? Whether you're a weekend cyclist or a daily commuter, the right cordless air pump can be your best travel companion. These sleek, battery-powered gadgets have transformed the way riders maintain optimal tire pressure anytime, anywhere. In this guide to the best cordless air pumps for bikes, we will unveil the top 5 compact inflators that combine power, portability, and precision. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. CYCPLUS AS2 Pro Mini Bicycle Pump. Rounding out our list is the CYCPLUS AS2 Pro Mini Pump, a top-tier option designed specifically for cyclists who prioritize compactness and accuracy. Weighing just over 4 ounces, this ultra-portable pump can fit into a pocket, making it the smallest and most bike-friendly inflator in our selection. Despite its tiny size, it still delivers up to 120 pounds per square inch of pressure with remarkable efficiency. Tailored for e-bikes, mountain bikes, city bikes, and road bikes, the AS2 Pro is equipped with advanced features for focused bicycle inflation. Its LED screen displays real-time pressure and allows you to set a target, with an automatic shut-off function to stop inflating once the desired pressure is reached. The accuracy is impressive, with a deviation of only 1 pound per square inch, which gives users confidence during every use. Charging is quick and convenient. In just 30 minutes, the AS2 Pro is fully powered and ready to go, capable of inflating at least 2 high-pressure bike tires from 0 to full capacity. Number 4. Fantic X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump. The Fantic X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump is engineered for speed and precision, offering rapid inflation for serious cyclists. Despite its palm-sized frame, this powerful cordless air pump packs a punch, capable of reaching 150 pounds per square inch in just over 30 seconds. It is the ideal choice for riders who value performance and do not want to compromise on portability. What sets the X9 Ace apart is its intelligent all-in-one hose system. With Presta and Schrader valve compatibility built directly into the device, users can switch between valve types with a simple twist. The rotating hose design ensures easy access to valve stems, even in tight or awkward spots, improving usability during high-pressure situations. Battery life is another area where the X9 Ace shines. Thanks to its 5,000 mAh battery and integrated cooling system, it can inflate up to 8 tires on a single charge and operate continuously for 25 minutes without overheating. Number 3. CYCPLUS Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Next on the list is the CYCPLUS Portable Air Compressor, a well-rounded cordless pump that strikes the perfect balance between power, accuracy, and portability. Designed for cyclists, commuters, and drivers, it delivers fast and efficient inflation with its durable metal motor and rechargeable battery. It can bring a standard car tire from 29 to 36 pounds per square inch in just 2 minutes. Number 2. CYCPLUS Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. If you are looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performance option, the CYCPLUS Portable Air Compressor is a standout contender. It features an efficient motor that provides quick inflation speeds, making it ideal for both emergency use and routine maintenance. Despite its small size, it can reach a maximum of 150 pounds per square inch, which makes it capable of handling car tires, bicycles, and even sports balls with ease. One of the most compelling advantages of the CYCPLUS inflator is its long-lasting rechargeable battery. A single charge allows you to inflate up to 25 bike tires or 60 sports balls. It is also designed with a modern Type-C charging port, offering convenience and fast charging capabilities for on-the-go users. Ease of use is another area where this device excels. It comes with 4 preset modes and a customizable setting, allowing both beginners and experienced riders to achieve accurate inflation without hassle. The clear digital display helps track tire pressure in real time. Number 1. CYCPLUS Electric Air Compressor. Leading the charge on our list of the best cordless air pumps for bikes is the CYCPLUS Electric Air Compressor. This compact inflator earns the top spot due to its impressive blend of performance, convenience, and versatility. Designed with cyclists and drivers in mind, it delivers a maximum pressure of 150 pounds per square inch. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.